Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox the kit that I purchased from Michael's Make Market Lake Forest. But before we start, I just want to show you the beautiful crystals that I purchased from a rock store. The rock store was located across the street from Michael's, where I found this gorgeous diamond painting. Just wanted to show you I purchased this beautiful fluorite bracelet. Couldn't help it, already put it on. You know, fluorite is one of my favorite most favorite stones. I also purchased this beautiful moss agate. This is just a keychain. Blue lace agate pendant. Love it. This golden sheen obsidian bracelet. It does have the golden sheen to it, if you can see it, you see. And this cute quartz. It was only $1. Just like how it looked. Gorgeous. So now, as to this diamond painting, to tell you the truth, I was launching, I'm not sure if I used the term correctly. I really wanted to purchase this diamond painting for a long time, and I tried to do it in my local Michaels. I tried to do it online, and it was not available at the local one. As to online, the shipping was $10. And if I wanted to, make it free, unfortunately, I would have to spend $50 to get free shipping. So it was not worth purchasing it, although I did like the original image. And I decided, like my mom and I went to Macy's in one of the malls, and across the street there was Michael, so I decided to go and check this kit over there. Although before I went to Michael's over there, I checked the availability online over there, and it said that this very kit was not available. But guess what? It was the only one there, so I grabbed it and went to the cashier. When I went to the cashier, it cost $26, but thanks to Labor Day sale, which was 40% off, plus my voucher for $5, I ended up paying only $10. $10 for this gorgeous diamond painting. So this is a kit from Michael's Make Market brand. I already mentioned that this brand is sold solely in Michael's. This kit is in the size of 45 by 60 centimeters, which is a little bit bigger than what I usually get from them. And the name of the kit is Lake Forest. The canvas was really very neatly packaged in the plastic bag. I already unpackaged it for my Russian channel. And this is how the canvas looks. Of course, it came with the instructions and with a set of tools. Here it is, the tray, the stylus, the hand grip, and Ziploc bags. And it also has blue wax in a container, in a round container. I just wanted to point out that the canvas is not color related. That's how the imprint looks. That's how it should turn out. People have different opinions about non-color related canvases. I personally like it. If you follow my channel, you already know about it, and I mentioned several times that for me it is the element of surprise. It's like, diamond painting from scratch, and then in the end there is always a surprise to see how the diamond painting is turning out. So if it is something that you guys don't like, well, unfortunately this for you, fortunately for me, unfortunately for you, this diamond painting kit is not color related, the canvas, at least the imprint. So this kit contains 35 colors, 35. The canvas is fabric based. It is very similar to diamond dots. The symbols are very well recognizable, very clear, no black wheels around the symbols, which is great. And the adhesive is poured glue, pretty sticky. I really like the plastic. It is pretty thicker. The plastic is thicker. Unfortunately, the phone got hot and turned off. That is why you didn't hear the last word. So that's how the imprint looks. If you are like me, if you love the diamond paintings in which canvases are not color related, that's a perfect design to diamond paint. Now let's see the drills. The diamonds are of very vibrant fall-like color. Unfortunately, this the kits from Make Market do not contain AB diamonds, although I think that their designs could benefit from ABs. I'm going to replace ones. If you colors, I just need to make sure that I have not just the exact color but also the exact shade. What I'm thinking of replacing is at least two colors, white one and yellow ones, especially over here. I think it would look perfect in this area where the sun is shining, with ABs and with white ABs and with white yellows. But again, I need to make sure that I have the exact shade. And the color is beautiful, very juicy. So this is not the first time I am purchasing the kit from Make Market, and I'm working. I started buying kits from Make Market as soon as I saw them in Michaels like 2 years ago. So I bought it in 2021, 2022, and this one was my recent completed kit from Make Market, and I was planning on diamond painting this image from Make Market, the train. But now, since I purchased the autumn design, I'm actually thinking of starting this kit. So this is all for today. Just wanted to let you know that today, on Monday, Labor Day, an event is going on in Michaels, 40% off all the regular priced items, including diamond paintings. This one is regular price, $26. So just check out your local Michaels and see if there are other designs that you like from Make Market, or maybe from Diamond Art Club or Diamond Dots. I like this one very much. That is why I purchased it. But there are more. There is Paris, there is Wolf, many more, and there are a lot of Halloween themed kits. But Halloween themed are already on sale, so be careful. 40% off is eligible only for those prices that are regular, that are not on sale. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.